This is the pumpkin rice, my friend. And that's the puppy chow with saltfish. And in this pot, we got hard food. Still look like got the food. Crutching and cleaning it for the. So we have both on.
When I say maybe you should just put up everything and make one vegetable and the security rice and the way you put in it.
No, pumpkin rice, nice in a drink. You can still put the pumpkin in a way you do if you want, but I'm cutting up some pumpkin for the pumpkin rice. You finish washing them? You cutting good?
Yeah. Yeah, perfect.
Yes.
You don't want to miss.
Okay guys, so that is the pumpkin. So I'm going to pop them in the rice now. Oh, my kitchen, sorry. So guys, we're throwing the pumpkin in because we did put the rice on before. Yeah, so that's that. So I'm gonna get this spoon. See that?
Guys, look how wood fire.
Yeah.
Pumpkin rice we are make, guys.
Pumpkin rice today. So that is it. We're gonna leave it at that and let it cook. See? Yeah.
Pumpkin rice we are eat now.
Hey, get the water now. I'll be washing some chow. You can give it to her and then you're going to help doing it. You finish over there, so you finish with that part?
Come back, look how we pumpkin rice.
Alright, so we're going to cover that now.
Guys, we're gonna cover it now. Alright, goodbye guys. Soon come back. Stay tuned.
And let it cook. And push the fire up a bit.
Guys, we're gonna push up it with little old fire. Cause you know we waste money by gas.
You ready? Alright, so look what guys, we're just gonna cut up the pop chow now. Then go and back in them pen. So stay tuned, guys. You can come back when we finish cutting up the pop chow. Because if you stay, it will be a very long video. Guys, we have two pot on the fire. We have pumpkin rice and we have potato, pumpkin and Irish potato. Yeah. Need to put some oil on that, Grandpa. Put a little oil on it.
And I deal like you burn up something last night. You don't have to throw something in the fire and burn it.
Oh.
Yeah, there's no rubbish.
Yeah, that's it. Thank you, well done. We need a cover for that one over there. Guys, we're looking at the rice. Huh? Pardon? I don't understand. No, I don't know. So guys, that is the rice. Wow. And the hard food I cook over there. Hard food cooking over that side. You take out this. Oh, Kim said she took out the saltfish bone. When Kim, oh, you say you take it already,
Because
took the bone out.
You broke it up. No.
You have to pick it up. Alright, we're gonna put the this on. Did Julia put everything in this? Turn this off.
No,
Turn this off.
Where can I see this?
So I'm gonna strain this off and come sorry. So you strain it out. Put that in. Alright, where is the black pepper?
Two type?
Oh, all-purpose. So put black pepper on it. Because it's a whole leaf, so and you put all-purpose. And butter.
And the salt.
I don't have any butter. Let me see butter. Oh, see. Because we have the saltfish. Anybody see this? Yeah, and we need to get some water now. You can stop it.
No.
Where is the water in the bucket? Throw some water on it. Did you get the pepper for it? Come up the tree.
Uncle Jonah.
You know, come with it.
I'm not sure.
Run go pick one pepper from around there, so please. And we need to put time on it.
Much?
You put time on it? I think so. One.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yes, guys.
Yes, time on it. Yeah. So we're gonna be putting this on it. Alright, you on? Ooh. Fire need to come over this way now. There's no fire underneath this. Alright. Let me come this way and get some more fire.
Yeah, but grandpa have to go put more in there.
Grandpa. What a job. Grandpa, we need some more firewood.
Turn it down and stop turning on.
I think we need a piece of banana leaf. Yeah, I think we can still. This is the pumpkin rice, my friend. And that's the puppy chow with saltfish. And in this pot, we got hard food. Still look like it's boiling. Do you know peel the potato then? Didn't peel them.
Potato no picking. Young skin. Alright.
You want to get you something?
Chop suey. Quickly and well.
It's chop suey, guys. Easy, easy, easy.
Easy,
Gravy
easy.
now.
Easy.
Gravy.
No, it's alright.
You know what? No juice.
With juice.
And the
Only for juice gone in there.
Oh. Alright, guys. We'll share some food now. This is it, guys. The end result. Everybody eating. Eating, yeah? I'm gonna go eat now. So, thanks for watching, guys. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.